So today we're gonna make some steak and eggs in the back of the Element. I've been seeing this meal all over my TikTok For You page, and it just looks so good. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. Steak and eggs today in the back of the Element. We're by this super noisy street, so I might have to do some editing later to fix that up. I'm freaking hungry. That feels about right. Let that sit a couple minutes. I've just been like, my whole For You page has just been nothing but this steak and eggs meal. And I just like, at this point, I gotta make it. It just looks so delicious every time I see it. I'm sure you guys are thinking the same freaking thing. You're like, oh, it looks so good. Ooh, hot. I'm going for it. We're going big, boys. All 6. And tomorrow, actually, we're getting ready to go to Santa Cruz for the big meetup that's happening. So I hope to see some of you guys there. Looks like I turned the heat off. I wish I had some honey. That would be freaking so good right now. Unfortunately, no honey. And you think I'm stealthy? I think someone's sleeping inside of there, and that's a stealthy looking car. I think it's a hybrid too, so pretty sweet. Hopefully I'm not being too loud for them. I bet I'm gonna have to end up scrambling these eggs because I doubt I'm gonna be able to flip all 6 of them. Who knows? I might get lucky. I doubt it. All 6 of these eggs in one flip? That'd be impressive. I'd be impressed with myself. We also got some coconut water. I think that's a pretty healthy meal. What do you guys think? I am missing a fork though. So we'll see how we do without the fork. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. Nice. I'll probably make this meal again and make like a whole real video, but I just want to try it out. Let's try out the steak. Oh, delicious. Oh, I forgot about the eggs. Okay. Let's see if I can do it. One flip. No way. There's no way. Oh my gosh, there's no way. Let's get underneath all that. There's no way, you guys. Maybe I don't even flip them. Maybe I just turn the heat down. There's no way I'm gonna flip all that. Yeah, that's impossible. Let's just do this. Let's just cover it. Let it cook a little more. There's no way I was gonna flip that thing. But the steak is bomb. Mm-hmm. I should have bought some napkins, y'all. Maybe I have some inside. Like I said, it's total chaos in here today. Score. It's just about ready. A little more time. I feel like the banana will end up being too much food. Let's do it though. Just gonna make it like very Instagrammable. Do a deep clean later. That's a good banana. Perfect. That's really good. Super sweet. I'd eat that. A little runny. Here's what we're gonna do. This is behind the scenes. We're gonna take this and put it here. We're gonna use it as a thumbnail. Because like if I put the whole thing on, it's gonna look too crazy. To make a nice thumbnail, and then we get to actually enjoy. Sorry to spill the magic for y'all, but that's how it goes. Good thumbnail. Just cover up that bag. Use my left hand. Yeah, that looks good. That's a good thumbnail right there. I'll have to go inside and eat, but it's delicious. Look at that, it looks so good. Man, so many eggs. This is outrageous. So good. But all the ingredients costed like 20 bucks. So I can't eat like this every day. But for today, pretty dang good.